Welcome to the Rainbow Foundation for Amputees, where hope walks again one step at a time. My name is Twik and I'm so happy to be with you. It's been a while since I've posted a video and I felt I owed you an update. Over the past few months, I've been working behind the scenes on something so close to my heart, the Rainbow Foundation for Amputees. As many of you know, I am an amputee myself and I lost my left leg below the knee and part of my right foot. When I first shared this vision for the foundation, I honestly had no idea how many people would reach out. Since then, I've received phone calls, messages, and emails from amputees and their families who desperately need prosthetic limbs, and it's very expensive. And if I'm being honest, it's been overwhelming to me. Every call has a story. A father who wants to work again. A mother who wants to walk independently again. A young person who dreams of getting back to school, sport, or simply living a life without being confined to a wheelchair because prosthetics are expensive. These stories have broken my heart, but they're a reminder to me why this foundation matters so much to me. I want to be completely transparent with you tonight. The Rainbow Foundation for Amputees is still moving forward, but the process has taken longer than expected. One of the reasons is that when people's donations and finances are involved, everything must be done properly and ethically, and that is my mission. The trustees who were initially involved had unfortunately to step away because of their commitments and time constraints. And it's understandable. While I completely understand their decision, it means I now have to find the right people to help carry this vision forward. And that's not a decision I will rush. I'm honest with you tonight, I'm not going to rush it. Trust is everything. The right trustees must be people of integrity, accountability, and genuine compassion for amputees. So where does this leave us? That is the question. It leaves us with the mission that is still very much alive. The Rainbow Foundation for Amputees is moving forward, and while the foundation structure is being finalized, I don't want this channel to sit silent. I don't want stories of amputees go unheard. So today I'm asking for your help. You must help me. And please, this is very important. If you are an amputee or if you have a loved one who is an amputee, I would love to hear their story. Tell me about their journey. Tell me about your struggles. Tell me about your victories. Because we do have victories. Tell me about the challenges you face every day. Because these stories cannot be unheard. You can email your story to me, and with your permission, I would like to share some of these stories on this channel. I will not mention names. Because awareness creates understanding. And understanding creates compassion. And compassion creates change. And that is the aim of this foundation. I want to change amputees' lives, and people must be inspired by the stories. My prayer is that together we can build a community that supports, encourages, and gives hope to amputees everywhere. The foundation may still be in the building phase, but the mission has already begun. Thank you to every person who has supported, encouraged, and believed in this vision I have. Please continue to share this channel. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, share and like it. Please continue to share these stories. And if you are an amputee, please know this. You are not alone. You are not alone. I see you. I hear you. I know how you feel. I've been there. I've got the t-shirt. And together we will go from broken to brave. Thank you. Like and share this video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.